So in this problem, because we have this multiplier outside of parentheses, that means that the best place to start is going to be with simplifying our equation by using the distributive property. So we're going to take that -5 and multiply it by the x and multiply it by the 2. And we will end up with -5x minus 10 equals 12. Now from here, we can start using our inverse operations to simplify this equation. So I want to get all of my variables on one side of the equation, all of my constants on the other. So since I have a -10 on this side, I want to make a 0 pair there. So I'm going to add 10 to each side. So what I just did there was I used an inverse operation to make a 0 pair. So now I have on this side of the equation -5x, and all of that equals 22. Now I need to use my inverse operations again. So if I have -5 multiplying x, and I want that positive 1x, I'm going to divide both sides by -5. -5x divided by -5 is a positive 1x. 22 divided by -5, we can say, well, that is -22/5. Or you can simplify that down. There are -4 sets there, and 2/5. -4 and 2/5, and you're done.